Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, this video contains a very beautiful and elegant touch of hand embroidered designs for dresses, beautiful necklines that are designed with the help of hand embroidery, bot neck embroidery designs for dresses, simple and elegant white embroidery dresses, off-white embroidery dresses, cream and different type of lighter shades of embroidery dresses are being shown in this whole entire video. So friends, if you are a lover of hand embroidery or you are an artist of hand embroidery or you are a hand embroidery beginner, then this video collection is absolutely for you because the widely used and beautiful stylized patterns of embroidery would give you a very large and a broader spectrum view of ideas. But before going into the further details, I have a simple request that please do subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet and press the bell icon for all the notifications so that you could remain updated with the new upcoming videos on my channel. And guys, keep loving us, keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and keep loving us like you always have been. And with your love and support, we have reached at this level. So, guys, now let's move back towards our main content, which is how you can use these patterns. You can use these patterns for summer dresses, for everyday casual comfy outfits, for school, office, university going outfits. You can use lawn, cotton, corduroy, and cotton satin for summer fabrics. And even you can also use cotton lawn and cotton candy as well. Some organic linen could also be used, or any other type of cotton based fabric for summer dresses. So beautiful and stylized, elegant patterns of neckline increases the beauty and creativity of these design patterns. Different color combination of floral patterns and multicolor threads have been used to give more elegant and decent touch to the whole entire fabric. And on our channel, you can get all type of amazing trendy related hand embroidery patterns that you can make at your home and you can become a designer of your own. So stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos for more creative DIY items that could only be made with the help of hand embroidery and hand art. So stay tuned and stay blessed and keep watching our content. Hope to see you soon back in our channel in our new videos. Up till then, take care, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave comments below.